Hi guys, welcome back to Brain Tech with a new video. As we all love to edit videos, but we don't have a good editor with lots of features. Today we bought a solution for it. Watch the whole video to know what is it. It is not Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. It is for low-end PCs. Now let's see what is it. It is Firmware X9. Yes, now we found it. And now let's see how to download and install. The direct link to download is in the description area. This needs only 2 or 4 GB RAM and a minimum Quad Duo processor to run Filmora 9. You can run Filmora X on a 4 GB RAM and with a Pentium new processor. If you'll need more tutorials in this video editor, let's take this video for 50 likes. After 50 likes we will upload tutorials on Filmora X. That is all for today's video.